Fifth-generation computers feature high processing power and speed, continually decreasing in size due to technological advancements. Computers have numerous daily applications. In banking, they enable fast transactions and ATMs. In industry, they control processes and robots. Advantages of computers include speed in data processing, high accuracy, and the capacity for vast storage. They offer diligence, automation, and versatility for various tasks. Essential computer lab setup involves adequate floor space, a reliable power supply, and security measures for equipment. User capacity should allow for an effective learning environment. Safety in a computer lab requires proper behavior like no food or drinks. Fire safety means using carbon dioxide extinguishers. Environmental measures include UPS and airflow to prevent overheating. Booting starts with the power on self-test controlled by BIOS. CMOS stores system settings. After checks, the operating system loads. Booting can be cold or warm. Properly shutting down a computer is vital to prevent data loss and hardware damage. This involves saving all work before starting the shutdown process for a safe power off. The keyboard has alphanumeric keys for typing, function keys, F1, F1, 2 for quick access, and cursor movement/editing keys. Special operation keys like Shift and Control modify commands. To type efficiently, maintain proper posture and position materials correctly. Rest fingers on the home keys and return to them after striking other keys, aiming to type without looking. Mouse usage involves clicking to select, double-clicking to open, and right-clicking for context menus. Drag and drop functionality allows items to be moved across the screen. A computer system is defined as independent entities working together to process information. Key components include physical hardware, software instructions, and liveware or the human user. Hardware components include input devices for data entry and output devices to present processed data. The central processing unit executes instructions, and storage devices save data long-term. Input devices convert human-readable data into machine-readable forms. These include keying, pointing, and scanning devices, as well as touchscreens and speech recognition. Keying devices include traditional, flexible, ergonomic, and braille keyboards. Pointing devices include the standard, optical, and cordless mouse, as well as trackballs and joysticks. Scanners capture data from physical documents and are classified as optical or magnetic. Examples of optical types are OMR and OCR. MICR is a type of magnetic scanner. Speech recognition uses microphones to convert spoken words to data, benefiting users with impaired hands. Touchscreens use a sensitive display for input, effective in harsh environments, but limited for large data entry. The CPU is the computer's brain, composed of the control unit and the arithmetic logic unit. The ALU performs calculations, while the control unit manages data flow and instruction execution.